Hi, my name's Sunde from Sunde White Industries. Today's hot tip for creative brains like yours is to release perfectionism. Because perfectionism can be like the biggest block. Like right now my dog's barking and my neighbor's upstairs stomping around. And you know what? I'm gonna keep filming this video. So anyway, I'm letting go of perfectionism right now while I talk about it to prove that this is possible, that I can do something creative and let go of perfectionism. So anyway, the thing about perfectionism is it blocks you from making the art that you need to do and being the best artist that you can be for yourself, because you start to get like, what if it's not good enough? What if I'm not good enough? What if nobody likes it? What if it doesn't make sense? What if it's ugly? What if it's this? And then you just get paralyzed, you don't make anything. So if you switch the concept of perfectionism to a learning experience, like I just want to learn. I'm going to do this piece to learn. It will totally change your perspective and open your mind, and it'll be like this beautiful experience where you're like, I'm just learning, like, I just learned I love that hot pink on the yellow, or I'm just learning this or that, and all of a sudden it'll be stepping stones to doing more amazing pieces because you've taken that block off and you're looking at it as just a learning experience. And it becomes a joy-filled experience where you will actually reach just higher points of your artistic ability because you're not blocked. You're not worried about what it looks like or what the end result is. It's like sometimes my husband, I always make jokes that he like put his coffee cup on a piece I'm working on. And then I'm like, I love it. Because accidents and mistakes are what art are, like some of the best parts of art. So let's go out there, release the perfectionism. My dog's growling right now while I make this again. And let's just enjoy the process of making art. So follow me on Instagram at Sunde White Industries. Visit my website to see what I'm up to at sundewhiteindustries.com, and keep making things, keep being creative with your creative brains.